Which is better in Python, del or delattr? This may be silly, but it's been nagging the back of my brain for a while. Python gives us two built-in ways to delete attributes from objects, the del command word and the delattr built-in function. I prefer delattr because I think it's a bit more explicit. But I'm wondering if there might be under the hood differences between them.
The first is more efficient than the second. Del foo.bar compiles to 2 bytecode instructions, whereas delattr foo bar takes 5. This translates into the first running slightly faster, but it's not a huge difference. 15s on my machine. Like the others have said, you should really only use the second form when the attribute that you're deleting is determined dynamically. Edited to show the bytecode instructions generated inside a function, where the compiler can use load_fast and load_global.
Del is more explicit and efficient. Delattr allows dynamic attribute deleting. Consider the following examples. Or you can't do it with del.
Unquestionably the former. In my view, this is like asking whether foo.bar is better than delattr foo bar, and I don't think anyone is asking that question. Smile.
It's really a matter of preference, but the first is probably preferable. I'd only use the second one if you don't know the name of the attribute that you're deleting ahead of time.